There's a noticeable difference between a blender you occasionally use and one that quietly becomes part of your daily routine. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, where we take a thoughtful, unbiased look at products that aim to deliver real value. Today, we're reviewing the Ninja Nutri-Plus Personal Blender BN301. This is a compact, high-performance blender designed for individuals who want quick, consistent results, whether that's smoothies, protein shakes, or simple meal prep. If you're someone with a busy schedule, limited kitchen space, or a focus on healthier habits, this product is likely relevant to you. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. At its core, this is a personal blender built for convenience without sacrificing power. It combines a 900 peak watt motor with a compact footprint, making it suitable for apartments, dorm rooms, or everyday countertop use. But what really matters is how it performs over time and how easily it integrates into your routine. Here are the key reasons to consider it. Reason 1. Reliable power for everyday blending. The 900 peak watt motor provides more than enough strength for daily use. It handles frozen fruits, ice, and tougher ingredients like nuts and seeds without struggling. This consistency matters, especially if you're making smoothies regularly. You get a smoother texture without chunks, which directly improves the drinking experience. Reason 2. Efficient nutrient extraction. The Pro Extractor Blades assembly is designed to break down whole fruits and vegetables effectively. This isn't just about blending. It's about achieving a finer consistency that helps incorporate fiber, vitamins, and nutrients more evenly. For those focused on nutrition, this translates into better tasting, more usable blends. Reason 3. Practical blend and go convenience. One of the most useful aspects of this blender is its direct-to-cup functionality. You blend straight into the 20 ounces cup, attach a spout lid, and you're ready to go. Whether it's a morning commute or a post-workout routine, this reduces cleanup and eliminates the need for additional containers. Over time, that convenience adds up. Reason 4. Compact design that fits modern spaces. Not everyone has the luxury of a large kitchen, and this blender acknowledges that. Its space-saving design makes it easy to store or leave on the counter without clutter. Despite its size, it doesn't feel underpowered, which is often the trade-off with smaller appliances. Reason 5. Simple operation that encourages daily use. The push-to-blend mechanism keeps things straightforward. There are no complicated settings or learning curve, just press and blend. This simplicity makes it more likely that you'll actually use it regularly, which is ultimately what determines long-term value in a product like this. Reason 6. Easy maintenance and long-term usability. All removable parts, including the cups and lids, are dishwasher-safe. Cleaning is quick and hassle-free, which is essential for something you may use daily. The inclusion of multiple cups and lids also adds flexibility for storage and sharing. Reason 7. Proven trust and consistent feedback. This blender is trusted by many 5-star reviewers, and that reputation reflects its reliability and ease of use. It's not just about initial performance, it's about consistent results over time, which is where many small appliances fall short. Now, for balance, this is a personal blender, so it's not designed for large batches or heavy-duty commercial use. If you need to prepare bigger quantities at once, a full-size blender would be more appropriate. It's also manually operated, so those looking for preset programs may find it more basic. Final verdict: the Ninja Nutri-Plus BN301 stands out as a dependable, well-balanced personal blender that prioritizes convenience, performance, and simplicity. It's best suited for individuals who want a quick, efficient way to support a healthier lifestyle without overcomplicating the process. In its category, it delivers exactly what most users need and does so consistently. If this aligns with your routine and expectations, you can explore it further through the link in the description and make a decision that feels right for you.